Just received the 2009 to 2015 R8 navigation. This is what it looks like. This is the connectors in the back. Try to explain some of them to you. This is a full plug and play unit. What comes in here is additional backup camera, connector, GPS antenna, plugs in right here. This is AV in, plugs in right here. Your USB connector, 2 USB ports, your amplifier connector, your front, rears, left, right, and then your subwoofer connector. Then you have your main wiring harness. This plugs right into your radio. This plugs into here. If you're using factory wiring connectors. And then this plugs in right here. What else do we have in here? This is the optional backup camera. It comes with these 2 wires. This is the power supply which you would connect by the backup camera. This is your wire that's going to be going to the head unit, and it comes with the extension as well. So you would plug this in right here. You would plug in your power over here. I'm sorry, plugs in like this, and then the power plugs in right here, and that's it. And it also comes with an antenna adapter that plugs into your factory radio, into where the factory radio plug into. That is all that comes with the radio. For the most part, it looks pretty factory, minus this and this, but it looks pretty factory. The finish is definitely factory-like.